I just want to go ahead and start by talking about what we've been doing in context of the larger reason why it matters. So one of our professors is named Don Vubels. He's in our atmospheric sciences area, and I'll just read this quote out. "The science is clear that our climate is changing more than 10 times faster than past natural changes. Emissions from the burning use of coal, oil, and natural gas are the primary cause. Dangerous climate change is already here. Why wait until the future when this will get only worse?" The University of Illinois, as many universities are, was really impacted by this to create our roadmap to a more sustainable future. We have something called a climate action plan. We have a few copies left at my table out there. It's how we're going for full carbon neutrality. So from where we are now to by 2050, completely carbon neutral. By 2020, reducing our water, reducing our waste, reducing our agricultural footprint, among a lot of other things. I'm going to use two real-world examples, though, because they're way more interesting than the numbers. The first, if you've ever driven over by Urbana at Neal and Windsor, we have our solar farm. It's about a 4-megawatt array, so about twice the size of Parkland's, I think, right now. And it put out 6.67 million kilowatt hours between October 2016 and October 2017. That's equivalent to about 650 area homes per the EPA statistics, or over 5 million pounds of coal, or around 560 gallons of gasoline. I'm speeding through these because the next project that we're doing is maybe our favorite example of something sustainable we do. It's called the Illinois Sustainable Food Project. And as an agriculture university, we want to give people hands-on experiences working with food products. With this, we have an on-campus sustainable student farm that grows tomatoes, peppers, food basically year-round, except in the winter when the greenhouses are the only thing operating. One of the problems with the growing season in Illinois is that whenever most of the crops are growing the fastest, things like tomatoes and peppers and things like that, it's summer when there aren't really students around to use them. So a few years back, we started a pilot plant for actually processing those foods into, or processing those inputs into food that we can save. One of our biggest examples is tomatoes turning into tomato sauce. We use that in the dining halls now. About 90% starting this fall of all tomato sauce used on campus for pasta, pizza, etc. is coming from plants we grew over the summer. On top of that, we've recently added a flour mill, so we're able to convert acres of grain that we have into unbleached whole wheat flour. One day a week at our cafeteria, we now have a pizza where everything but the cheese is grown on campus and processed on campus. It's really one of the most exciting programs we have, and we started to expand it further. We just got a hot sauce line, which coming from Texas is near and dear to my heart. We've added the ability to process currants and other berries and things like that grown on some of our other agriculture lands. So our goal is that if a food is grown on campus, or if a food input is grown on campus, it's something that we're able to process into something that we can eat on campus. As far as student opportunities, both for you all and people at U of I, we have 2 degree programs right now which do accept, with a petition, transfer credits from Parkland. We have our Sustainability, Energy, and Environment Fellows program, which gives you a real-world experience working with Project Capstone partners in sustainable projects. Fortune 500 companies partner with us, City of Urbana's partnered with us, a number of other areas have. We also have an undergraduate certificate in environmental writing, so if you're looking for ways to really, as they say, turn data into narrative, we have that. One of the things that I think also is a great opportunity for you that's open to the public is our annual IC Congress. People come in from all over, but it's completely free. We'll feed you, we'll educate you, with dozens of guest speakers. This year our theme is for 2018 is Sustainable Cities. We're trying to get some famous mayors coming here, which will include probably both Champaign and Urbana's. A full video of all of our past congresses are also available online. So we've had guest speakers ranging from the agriculture sector to like Don Vubels, atmospheric scientists, in themes like water use, how to feed a world of 10 billion people, and so on and so forth. And all those are available on our website there. We also have a cool program that it's something you can start in your own building. It's something that we've been doing for a while called Illini Lights Out, where we've saved over 50 tons of carbon just from encouraging people. Every Friday, we have a group of volunteers that just turns off the lights in academic buildings. So it doesn't even involve anything more than an hour of people walking around and turning off the lights in vacant classrooms so they're not on over the whole weekend. And like I said, save thousands of dollars and over 50 tons of carbon. I'm kind of speeding through things because I just want to open up with questions and make sure everybody's out of here by 1. But this is all of our information. We're Facebook/IC at U of I, Twitter's Sustain Illinois website. And then if you have any questions, you can either email me or our office.